students, we are talking about acid, base and salt, right? In that we will be talking about Lowry-Bronsted theory. So according to Arrhenius theory, if you remember, then anything which gives H plus is considered as acid, right? And anything which gives OH minus, then it is considered as base, right? And that also in aqueous medium. But do you know about ammonia? It is a base, correct? But is it giving any OH minus? See, first of all, it should have OH minus in order to give it, right? So NH3, there is no OH minus. So how can it give? No. So how to explain that it is a base? So for that, we will see Lowry-Bronsted theory. So according to Lowry-Bronsted theory, anything which has the ability to give away H plus ion, that is considered as what? Acid. Okay. But what is a base then? Base means the one which has the ability to acquire H plus. Okay. So if I am talking about, say, HCl, when it is dissolved in water, it will release H plus. Okay. That means it is an acid. This H plus will be then acquired by water, forming H3O plus, that means hydronium ion. That means over here water is acting as base. Okay. Now if I am dissolving ammonia in water, what will happen? Water over here will release H plus, forming OH minus and H plus. That means it is acting as acid. Now this H plus will then be gained by ammonia, forming NH4 plus ion. That means it is acting as base. Okay. So now with Lowry-Bronsted theory, I am able to explain the basic nature of ammonia. But wait a minute, if you remember, in HCl, water was acting as what? Base. While when I am talking about ammonia dissolving in water, then it was acting as acid. Then how is it possible? There are few substances which can act as both acid and base. That means they can accept H plus, at the same time they can donate H plus. These are called as amphoteric substances. Water is one of the example. Okay. Now this Lowry-Bronsted theory made the acid and basic nature very much simpler. And according to this theory, a neutralization reaction is nothing but transfer of H plus ion from acid to base, forming water molecule. Let us see an example. Let us say that I am having HCl which is reacting with NaOH. So what is happening over here? H plus from HCl will go and attack NaOH, and in that OH minus will acquire the H plus, forming water molecule, and the byproduct now will be Cl minus from the acid and Na plus from the base, forming NaCl. So neutralization reaction is nothing but transfer of H plus from acid to base. Okay. To make your concept stronger and stay ahead in your learning journey, join me and other subject matter experts on Turito App.